everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to crochet a flower stitch. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press a bell icon. And we will start our project with a foundation chain. A foundation chain which will be a multiple of 6 plus 3. We will go for a chain of single chain. Continue your chain as per the length. After the multiple of 6, add 3 chain, 2 and 3. Now we will go for next row. In that row we will skip 5 chain and go through the 6th chain. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Into the 6th yarn over. Insert your hook in the 6th chain and pull the yarn. Again go for 2 times. Yarn over, insert the hook and pull the yarn. Yarn over, insert hook and pull the yarn. And now go through the loops except the last one. Then go through the 2 loops on the hook. Then we will chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Now we will make a same puff in the same chain. Yarn over, insert into the same chain, pull the yarn. Yarn over, insert, pull the yarn. And in third time yarn over, pull the yarn. Go through the 6 loops on the hook, then 2 loops on the hook. Now chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Now again we will make a puff in the same chain. Insert yarn, pull the yarn, insert yarn, pull the yarn. Yarn over, insert and pull the yarn. And go through 6 loops on the hook, then 2 loops on the hook. Now we will skip 5 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In 6 chain we will work. In 6 chain, yarn over, insert the hook and pull the yarn. In the same manner, the same puff we will make again. Yarn over, insert the yarn, pull the yarn. Then chain 3. Again into the same chain. Next puff, second puff. After second puff, chain 3. Then third puff. Now we will again skip 5 chain and work in the 6th chain. In the 6th chain, we will work the same 3 puff stitch. Work all across the foundation chain. After all puff stitches, we will work through the last chain, a single crochet through the last chain. Now turn the work and go for 6 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After 6 chain, we'll go through the chain which is top of the middle puff, the top chain, this one, single crochet through this chain, then chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and again a single crochet through the chain which is at the top of the middle puff, single crochet, then again chain 5, then again single crochet through all the top chain of the middle puff. After that, chain 2 and go through the last puff chain, a double crochet, yarn over, insert and pull the yarn, double crochet, chain 3, turn the work, then we will make again 3 puff. In this row, the puff will be through the single crochet which we have made at the top chain of the middle puff, chain 3, then again second puff through same single crochet, chain 3, then crochet a next puff, now we will make a next 3 puff through the next single crochet. Complete the row with the same pattern with the 3 puff stitches in the single crochet. At the last, we will go over the third chain, 1, 2, 3. The third chain is single crochet through the third chain. Complete the project as per your size, and this is how the sample looks. It's just a wow. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like the video, share the video. Bye.